Hello everyone and welcome back to Middle East Scale Models. In this part 2 video of building and assembling the F-15C Eagle, I will show you how I painted the camouflage, assembled the gears, and created the masks for the camouflage. We start by painting the engine. After the standard color issued by the instruction manual, I was not satisfied by the result, so I had to paint it back with gunmetal to give it a more realistic effect. Landing gears on this kit are very practical because they have a steel rod installed inside them to support the weight of the aircraft, which I found very detailed and very thought of. After assembling the landing gears, I connect the wings and then I spray the model with a second dark gray base color to hide any imperfections from the first base color. To create the camouflage or the masking, I used a piece of paper. I drew the outline of the wings on that piece of paper, then fold it in half and cut with a modeling knife. This way you will have a symmetrical double masking for both sides of the aircraft. I hold them with a mounting putty and then I begin spraying the second color of the camouflage. In this case it is the light gray. I continue the process to cover all the area. Notice, the more I go towards the aftwards of the aircraft, the more I spray lighter puffs from the airbrush. This way, it looks like it's more realistic. By the heat emitted from the engines, it darkens the aft of the aircraft. I always spray 2 coats of paint so the paint can be realistic. After removing the masks, I go over the edges of the camouflage to soften it down and blend it in better. First with the light gray, and then I pass over again by spraying the dark gray. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. If you have any questions on how to create the masks or any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see the final video of this build in part 3. Thank you and goodbye.